Hello, my friends. Stevo, Magneto, Electrical. Yeah, and what you're looking at right now is some items that I purchased. About to start a project. Just to kind of give you an idea, it's going to be a topper for my atmospheric antenna. I already put a hole here. What I have is 1/2 inch copper with a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch coupler. Put a hole in it already. That was with the metal bit. And then filed off the shavings just so there's no sharp edges. And then what I also have is 14 gauge galvanized wire, galvanized steel, 6 magnets, disc magnets right here, some all thread, nuts, and some washers. What I have here now is the galvanized steel, which I cut the size of a Royal Cubit. I also have these 3 spirals, piece of quartz, and I'm going to add this piece of magnetite. I forgot I had it. Let's put some use to it. Electroculture, Magnetoculture. We'll see how all these elements work being used together. Getting excited how cool this atmospheric antenna is coming together. Had to make a run to the hardware store so I could find something to connect all these wires. I have 3 aerial antennas, 3 Ighina Spirals, 9 antenna that's going directly into the air, and this will be part of the top. We'll fit the wires and everything into the 3/4 inch copper. I have some more finishing touches, but what you're looking at is almost everything complete. I'm going to saw off the 1/2 inch copper, fit it into the 9-foot pole that I made in the original video. Kind of looking at the details here, I did add the hematite at the end. Have my magnets, all thread, bolts, washer. Again, it's zinc. And then I have this copper connector, spiral with the crystal in the center, Ighina spiral, the galvanized antenna going straight into the air. This is all to pick up the prana, the chi, the organ, and all that good energy that surrounds us. Let's start off. Thank you for joining me. Happy gardening. Happy 2023. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you like what you saw, please leave a like. Sub if you may, or if you would like. And we'll see you again.